Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to discuss a very important question from module 3 of microcontrollers. So our question is, write a C program that prints the square of the integers between 0 to 9 using functions and explain how to convert this C function to an assembly function with command. So here's the C program to calculate the square of integers from 0 to 9. So firstly we have to write the our hashtag include stdio.h. Then we have to initialize int calculate square. Under that we have to declare int n. Under that we will write return n into n. Then we will start our main function in which we will firstly declare int I. Then we put a for loop from I is equals to 0 and I is smaller than or equal to 9. Then increment the I. Then under that we have to print square of percentage %d and we will take it from I and calculate square of I. So then we will return 0. So this is very simple and easy C program for this one. Here are the commands to convert C program into ARM assembly. Using ARM compiler, ARMCC, we can do this. So this is the way you should write. Here the options are O time is nothing but optimize for speed, C is nothing but compile only, and from ELF is nothing but generates assembly listing. So this is the way how to convert C program into ARM assembly. Now using a GNU compiler we can also do. So the given options are like O2, which is nothing but optimization enabled. Form it frame pointer is nothing but improves performance. Object dump is nothing but disassemble object file. Here's the key ARM points. First four arguments are passed through R0 to R3 register. Then function's return value is stored in R0 and 32-bit data types int are most efficient. And compiler optimization improves speed and reduces code size. So like this you have to write in the examination to get the full marks. This is very easy and important question. You don't have to miss this. And if you want these notes, you guys can join our WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel group, whose link is given in the description box. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe. Express VTU for all.